Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Roku TV and device share the same Wi-Fi, and your Roku account is active. Once done, update the Roku OS from settings to avoid incompatible screensaver options. This prevents glitches. Next, open the Roku channel store on the TV or Roku mobile app. You need the store to select or add new screensavers. Make sure the TV remains awake during installs and that remote batteries are good. These small steps speed the next actions. Now you find and install the screensaver. On the Roku home, go to Streaming Channels, search for Screensavers or a named app, and preview options to confirm style and motion. When you install a channel, open its details and select Set as Screensaver where available. If using the mobile app, you can add channels remotely and they appear on the TV. Be patient during install. Larger animated or live image screensavers take longer to download and process before activation. Finally, activate and fine-tune the screensaver. Open Settings, choose Theme or Screensaver to confirm the newly installed option and set the timeout period. Shorter timers save power. Adjust motion or dimming features to reduce image retention on OLED. If the screensaver won't appear, reboot the Roku TV, reinstall the screensaver channel, and verify your network. Intermittent Wi-Fi can block asset downloads. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Roku account and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.